Springbrook Tower. Good afternoon. Astral 679er2 is on approach. Astral 679er2 clear to land runway 05.
DHL 3078 hold position. DHL 3078 continue taxi. DHL 3078 hold position. DHL 3078 taxi to gate Charlie 2. DHL 3078 continue taxi. Springbrook Tower, All Nippon 5165, ready for takeoff runway 05. All Nippon 5165, cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Springbrook clearance. Good afternoon. KLM 7189er ready for pushback at Charlie 1.
Springbrook Tower. Good afternoon. Lufthansa 4708 is on approach. Lufthansa 4708 cleared to land runway 32.
KLM 7189er cleared for pushback.
Springbrook clearance. Good afternoon. Latin 7223 ready for pushback at Bravo 6. Latin 7223 cleared for pushback.
Springbrook ground. KLM 7189er ready to taxi. KLM 7189er taxi to runway 05. Springbrook ground. Astral 679er2 taxi to the gates.
Springbrook ground, Latin 7223, ready to taxi.
DHL 3078, hold position.
Astral 67902, taxi to gate Charlie 1.
DHL 3078, continue taxi.
Springbrook Tower, good afternoon. ABUX 90468 is on approach. Latin 7223, taxi to runway 32. ABUX 90468, cleared to land runway 05.
Springbrook clearance, good afternoon. Emirates 3209er ready for pushback at Bravo 1. Springbrook Tower, Argentina 6457, ready for takeoff runway 05. Argentina 6457, cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Springbrook ground, Lufthansa 4708, taxi to the gates.
Springbrook Tower, KLM 7189er, ready for takeoff runway 05.
Springbrook Tower, good afternoon. Korean 4128 is on approach. Korean 4128, clear to land runway 32.
Springbrook clearance, good afternoon. Enter 5403, ready for push.